बाजू तेरा तौहीद की कुव्वत से कवी है, बाजू तेरा तौहीद की कुव्वत से कवी है, इस्लाम तेरा देश है और तू मुस्तवी है। My worthy class fellows and respected audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my speech is Defense Day of Pakistan. Today is 6th of September. We proudly celebrate as Defense Day of our sweet motherland. The entire world knows that in 1965, how the fearless, courageous and daring tigers of Pakistan Army crushed the plain, organized and secret aggression of the enemy. They reduced all the pride, boldness of large Indian army to ashes. In the words of Iqbal, दश्त तो दश्त है दरिया भी ना छोड़े हमने, दश्त तो दश्त है दरिया भी ना छोड़े हमने, बहरे जुल्मात में दुरा दिए घोड़े हमने. Pakistan was not given to us as a charity. Pakistan is the result of Islamic ideology. Its foundation lies on the donation theory of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in the dreams of Allama Muhammad Iqbal, and finally in the indefeatable leadership of Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam made it clear that we Muslims are not a minority, we are a nation. Dear fellows, for accomplishing this idea, the Muslim nation merged into one unit under the flag of Muslim League and leadership of Quaid-e-Azam. They decided to do or die but to have Pakistan. तेगों के साए में हम पलकर जवां हुए हैं, तेगों के साए में हम पलकर जवां हुए हैं, खंजर हलाल का है कौमी निशान हमारा. Respected audience, let's aim together. We shall work hard, excel in all fields of learning and warfare, defend our country till death. Being young falcon, my message for Pakistan and Muslim Ummah is: ऐ वतन तेरी फसीलों पे हर एक सिमत, ऐ वतन तेरी फसीलों पे हर एक सिमत, हम लोग अभी जिंदा और जावेद खड़े हैं. थैंक यू.